We are here at Rakennusbeton. Today we are making carbon negative concrete products. With our Carbonaide technology and their expert of staff, we can make this happen. VTT has developed a curing system that utilizes gaseous CO2. This CO2 mineralizes as carbonates during the curing of concrete. This enables very low carbon footprint of the products. Today we have produced concrete tiles using blast furnace slag. These products have now very low carbon footprint, but tomorrow, after the carbonation, these have negative carbon footprint. Now carbon dioxide has mineralized into these stones. It has gained strength and now the carbon footprint is negative.